Little pumpkin head. Hello out there. Are you enjoying the rain? Is it rain? Yes, you're right. It's raining out there. Yeah, it is. What do you think? You think so? Well, I don't think it's that bad. You're under the overhang there, so I know you're not getting wet. Yeah. Where you going? Pumpkinhead. You don't have to tell me how dirty the windows are. No. Not allowed on that part of the counter, kitty. You listen poorly. I'm sorry. Rules are rules. Looks like the Tribble has recovered from her reprimand. Have you recovered from your reprimand? Playing with the catnip cucumber. She's been taking lessons from Simba Kahn. You can see him laying over there. Yeah, he's watching her. Oh, look who just came in. Oh, quick, boy. Let me feel your fur. Let me see how wet it is out there. Oh, you managed to get clear around the house without getting too wet. Okay. The big paint can in the hallway. I'll just give everybody a glimpse of what's going on in the laundry room. We've got all the doors taken off the cabinets. The back two cabinets were completely blocked by the old washer dryer. Bunch of paint stuff on top of the new washer. And we started painting the door jamb. Purple, of course. Can't have too much purple. I don't know if we're going to get much work done on it today, though. We'll see. The kitties like the 2 litter boxes in this location. They don't seem to be too afraid of the machine. So far, so good, but right now it's a huge mess. Okay, this is a video about nothing. Nothing happening on a rainy day.